Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious crispy macaroni kurkure at home. For this recipe you will need 1.5 cup of macaroni, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, oil, water and seasoning of your choice. Boil water, add salt and oil. Then add the macaroni and cook until it is 80% done. Strain the macaroni and add icy cold water immediately. This helps to stop the macaroni from cooking more. Now add the all-purpose flour and corn flour and mix gently until everything is coated evenly. Fry the macaroni on medium heat until they become crispy and slightly golden brown. Once they are done, remove them on an oil-absorbent paper. Add the seasoning of your choice when the macaroni is still hot. I have added red chili powder, garlic powder, dry mango powder and black salt.